Well, as you can see, we're baling now. We finished raking this whole field here, and we had in the video from the first part. Now we're trying to get all this baled up. This is a 504C Vermeer baler. It's an older model. I think it may have been built in maybe the 80s. I can't remember, to be honest with you, but we've had it for a good little while. But see, there's a little flag. You can see it right. I'm gonna get my finger in it right there. And there's a little hole in it. I can see the little hole in the middle of it. That flag goes up as the baler fills up. And when it fills all the way up, the driver of the tractor can see a round hole sticking straight up, and he knows it's time to stop, and then it's time to tie the twine and make a bale. And we'll demonstrate how that's done here next. What he does is he pulls this rope right here, and what it does, it releases this handle. This will pull back, and this handle will drop down, and he'll turn the baler on, and the baler will grab this twine right here, this little piece of twine, and it'll be over on that far side over there. We'll watch it happen, and he'll have to hold it 7 seconds, 6 or 7 seconds, in about 10-inch increments as he goes across. You'll see what's happening here. So here we go. 10 seconds, okay. He holds it 10 seconds, I'm sorry. You can... right here, this thing is broken. This cutter's broken on this baler. So what I do, I'm the manual cutter. So I take my knife out and I cut it. We're going to change that blade out. We've got one at the farm and we just haven't had time to do it. But I'll just cut this right here. Cut the twine, and then he'll spin it just a little bit more. The reason he spins it just a little bit more is to get that twine that was hanging loose tight. And now he'll come back and open the baler up here and drop this bale of hay onto the ground. And then all that twine that we put around there, those 10-second increments, are right here. Here's a 10-second, 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 here's a 10-second. And then it's tied, the bale of hay is tied, all the way around, and we're ready for the next run. And you'll notice when he starts off with this bale, notice the tractor, he's going to the right, and then he'll turn to the left. See, turning to the left. And he'll turn to the right, and he'll turn to the left. He has to go back and forth, so that the bale will start out, we'll go in there to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, till it starts turning in there. And you'll see the belts are not even turning yet, but they'll start turning. There they go. They just started spinning. They start spinning when you pick up enough grass from the work, and you want to go left and right so that you pick up it evenly to begin with. And if you don't, you watch at the back. The belt will not. The belt will get loose on one side if you don't do that. You'll notice he lightens up his left and right. And he still go left and right just a little bit. See, he's going to the right now, and then he'll go to the left just a little bit, just a little at a time. He don't have to go swerving real fast once the bell begins. Well guys, this was a weird day. We did get the baling done on that field there completely. Not sure how many bales we got. We were going to stop by and count it, but as you can see, it's raining. So we tried to get on out of there. I was going to drive across the field, and I didn't want to do that with it wet. So anyway, this will be the end of this one, and we'll give you a video of the next job we do, which I think is going to be installing the glass window in the Coyote tractor that we broke out. We'll probably do a video of that next, so hopefully that's coming up. So if you enjoyed it, like and subscribe. This will probably be a short one, but I'm gonna try to keep posting them pretty regular, so you'll get a video pretty regular with Green Creek Farm. So anyway, hang in there.